Hi, how are you?
Hey, good, thanks. I'm Charlie Cooper, and we're about to do a lap.
Oh really? The Cooper? John Cooper's family? Wow, I know!
Let's do it.
Wow, this is really special.
Let's see. Let's do 2 quick laps. I'm going to get in trouble, but it's all good.
I don't think you'll get arrested.
No, I think I'll be alright. Right, nothing coming.
There you go.
Let's do it. We've got warm tyres.
The real way of driving, manual.
Too early.
Yeah. Wow.
Really slides well.
Oh my god, amazing.
Especially if I cheat like that. So good. Missed gear.
Well, it happens. Wow.
Spooling out, but it sounded like the turbo was going to.
Wow.
A bit messy.
Incredible.
We did a messy lap.
No, but it's part of it. That's how you learn, right?
It's more fun.
Yeah,
messy
exactly.
Laps. Sliding about, not as quick.
No, but it's fun. That's what this car is about.
It's. Do you know what I think? Just sliding it around, having a bit of fun. That's what Mini is all about.
Yeah,
Really.
exactly. Thank you very much.
Hope you enjoyed that.
I did. Thank you.